Hi everyone! My name is Miss Jocelyn Peñafiel. Kasama ko yung husband ko, si Mel. At sobrang grateful kami ngayon dahil nandito kami ngayon sa First Sight. At isa na namang dreams namin, goals achieved ng naming mag-asawa na magkaroon kami ng property dito sa ating Alora series. No? So nakakatuwa lang yung journey kasi nakaka-excite na makita yung magiging end result nitong another investment namin. At naging madali yung process namin to avail because natulungan kami ng sobra ni Patrick. So kung interesado ka na makapag-avail, so recommended ko rin i-message nyo si Patrick kasi sobrang hands-on niya to assist. So God bless everyone!
What are you waiting for? Contact us and get your dream house and start your property investment today. See you here at First Sights Calawan.